Hi, welcome. In the previous lesson we explored object mode. Now we are finally entering edit mode where real modeling begins. And this lesson we learn what vertices, edges and passes are, how to select them and how edge loops work, how we can use these tools to refine our low poly cards. First of all, going to edit mode. So you can go from here or with a tab button. If in your case the tab button appear by menu, select the edit mode from there. Here are the other modes as well, but we will explore them in the upcoming lesson. In edit mode, a 3D geometry have three main components or building blocks. They are vertices, edges and passes, and are also manipulation mode. A vertex is a single point in 3D space. It is a small element of a mesh. When a vertex is moved, it changes the shape of the object. You can see space is a surface created by vertex and edges. Edges basically connect two vertices. The line between two vertices is the edge. It defines the outline of the object. Edit mode have these three modes: vertex mode, edge mode and pass mode. You can switch between them from these buttons or with shortcut 1, 2 and 3. 1 per vertex, 2 per edge and 3 per pass mode. Good modeling means switching between these modes depending on what you want to adjust. And we come to the different selection methods of our vertex, pass and edge mode. When you want to select one vertex, it's simply clicking on it. When you want to select multiple, press and hold shift and click on the vertex and that will be selected. You can also select with the square selection, with the lasso selection, box selection and circle selection. These are all methods of selection. Another method of selection is selecting short path. Select one vertex, pass or edge, then press Ctrl and hold and select the other one that is far behind this one. This will select a path. You can see. If you want to select passes in cubic manner, like from this to this, just click to select one, then Ctrl Shift click the other and it will select all in between. Then we come to loop. A loop is a continuous line of passes or edges or vertices. There are two sort of loops: edge loop and pass loop. Edge loop is important because we can add edge loops in between a pass, and also to add more passes we add edge loop. To add more geometry we add more passes. To add an edge loop, hover over the area you want a loop and press Ctrl R and add the loop cut. Okay, and now coming to the transform tools, like that was in object mode. We can move, rotate, scale, but here we manipulate geometry. We can transform by same method, G for grab and R for rotate and S for scale. We can rotate, scale and move single vertex, edge and pass, multiple vertex, edge and pass, loop and pass loops as per we need. Now we are gonna apply everything we learned to refine our blocky card.